it was the biggest real estate developer in the country. It was seen as a benchmark for the entire industry. If Vanke performed well, the sector looked healthy. But today, China's property sector is in distress and Vanke too is in trouble. Its investors are growing nervous. They fear that the company could default in the coming months, and without government help, the company may not survive. Now, Vanke on its part has been trying to calm nerves. There is speculation that it's looking to restructure its debt. It has been speaking to investors. But so far they remain unconvinced, and their worries are now spilling into the markets. Vanke's bonds have fallen sharply. Some of them have dropped by more than 30%. Think of it like this. People lent money to Vanke, and now they're scared that they won't get the money back. So everyone is trying to pull out money at once, and that is why the value of their bonds has dropped so fast. It got so bad that the Shenzhen Stock Exchange had to step in. Today it suspended the trading of some Vanke bonds. And the company is running out of time. It has big payments coming up. 13.4 billion yuan in bond payments. That's almost $2 billion. When a company issues a bond, it is asking people to lend it money. In return, it promises two things: some extra money every year, like interest, and the full amount on a fixed date. That's a bond payment. For Vanke, a payment of $2 billion is due. They must pay it by June next year. So the clock is ticking. And this is not a one-off story, this company. It's a symptom of China's bigger crisis. Their property sector is in a deep slump. Many developers need bailouts just to stay afloat. But Beijing is hesitant to intervene because if it rescues one company, others will demand the same. It could open the floodgates. So far, China has avoided direct bailouts. What it has offered instead is broad policy support.
It should be noted that the real estate market is currently in a transition period between the old and new development models. Structural adjustment will take time, and certain indicators may fluctuate during this process.
Last week, some fresh reports came out. They said Beijing is weighing new options, like subsidizing interest costs on new mortgages. Meaning, the government will pay some of your interest on the home loan, so buying a house becomes cheaper. There's no guarantee this will work, but it's proof that the crisis persists. The property sector needs help. Look at the numbers that came last month. China released new economic data. It said their recovery looks shaky. October was a tough month. Key indicators across the board flashed red, like factory output. Growth slowed sharply.